Forgot your Discord password? Don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through how to reset your Discord password if you forgot it. First, open up the Discord app on your phone or PC or go to discord.com in your web browser. On the login screen, type the email address or the phone number associated with your Discord account in the top box. Once your email is typed in, do not try to guess your password. Instead, look right below the password box and click the blue text that says forget your password. Now tap on confirm to complete this human verification. Discord will immediately send a password reset link to your email or a code to your phone. Go ahead and open your email inbox. Look for an email from Discord. If you don't see the email in your main inbox after a minute or two, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. From this email, you actually have two choices. You can click Login to Discord to instantly access your account without changing your password, as you can see me doing here. However, to actually reset the password, go back to the email and click the Reset Your Password Here link. You will then be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Just enter your brand new password, confirm it, make sure it's strong, and click Change Password. That's it, your Discord password has been now reset. You can now log back into the Discord using your new password. If this worked for you, let me know by leaving a comment down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.